Yo, what's going on, guys? Alex here again. If you're new to the channel, like, subscribe, share, comment. I would really appreciate that. It's been a while since I posted, but today I just got the new axle back in, so I'm very excited about that. We're gonna go get this on. My mechanic said he's available. He can do it real quick, 30 minutes, easy in and out the door. So I'm excited about that. I do it on my own, but some of the tools I don't have, even though it's very, very simple to do. I've seen other YouTubers do it, and it's usually a quick install. But man, I've been waiting on this exhaust, this axle back for months and months. So I'm finally happy. I'm happy that it's finally here. And I'm very, very excited to see what it's all about. You know, for me, I never had a car that I built. So this is my first vehicle, actually, this IS350 that I'm building. So, let's see my impression. Let's see what I think about it. And we'll just go from there. I really don't know what to expect, but I'm excited that it is a new mod to the vehicle, and I've been waiting for this for so long. So let's just go and see what happens. So here it is, right here. Got the axle back. We're about to give this a good install. So everything's in, everything's good to go, everything's installed. It was a very simple install, took less than 30 minutes. And let me tell you, at first, driving around, I'm not sure if I like it. The outside sound is absolutely amazing. It's remarkable. Like, I love it from the outside, but on the inside, there's some drone. This is my very first modded car, so I'm not really sure what to expect or how it should sound. But I only drove it for a few minutes, so we'll see. It gave me like a little headache, a little migraine, and maybe it's because I'm new to this whole build with the exhaust and modifying your vehicle and so on. So maybe it's just something I got to get used to. But let me do a couple of clips, rev it up a little so you guys can hear it. Tell me what you think. And sorry I didn't get any clips of the actual install at the shop. There was some issues going on, but let me get these clips out. Let me rev it up a little bit and let me know what you think. Nice. So the clips, the sound, not too bad, not too bad. I think I gotta drive it around a little bit longer just to see, if it's something that I really like or not. But it's so far, it's so good. You know, I do love the sound of it, but I just want to see how I feel normally with it, you know, after a few days or so. So I am gonna do like a cold start clip, and so you guys can hear that as well. Yo, what's up guys? So I'm back. It's been about a week. I got to drive the vehicle around a little bit, and I absolutely love it. I gotta say, I do like the new axle back, and it's not too loud for me, and it's not too quiet. But in the beginning, when I was driving it around, it was a little annoying, but just after a week or so, I mean, I don't regret it whatsoever. So it's basically a muffler delete, but it's more defined, it's more tuned. It sounds really good, you know, especially driving next to other JDM or muscle cars. You fit in, you know, and it's nice to step on it a little bit just to get that sound. And also going in the tunnels, it's pretty amazing what it does, and I'm absolutely happy with it. So if you are looking for something that's very inexpensive, simply go get the Remark Axle back, and I think you'll be pretty happy with it. If you do get a lot of drone, simply get resonators, possibly add aftermarket mufflers. That's an option, but like I said, for me, this is just perfect, and I don't regret it. So that's my video for the axle back, and hey, I'm gonna leave you guys with a couple clips, and then I'll catch you on the next video. So that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. I would love to hear your guys' thoughts, what you think about the axle back and the build so far, you know, in general. Put your input below, and I have more things coming for this vehicle. I'm pretty excited, but thanks for tuning in. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe. Put your thoughts and comments below. I would appreciate you guys. Catch you on the next video.